Hello, I am Chef Ruiz. Today we're going to know how to prepare a shuko. The ingredients that you need are cabbage, mustard, mayonnaise, an avocado, plate, obviously a sausage, a turkey sausage, a spoon, knife, a fork, olive oil, bread, and to complement, canada dry. To continue, we have to turn on the oven. Remember to be careful. The oven is turned on, we have to put the turkey sausage until it boils. Remember that the water boils at 100 degrees. To spend more time, we can put the bread in the oven. We have to wait until the bread melts in the oven. Now the avocado is on the plate. We have the sausage. Oh, it's really hot. Because we cut it in 2 pieces. Put it over. We grab the avocado. Put it into the bread. If you want, you can add salt, but not too much because it will be like too much salty. We add a little bit of olive oil. We add mustard. A little bit of mayonnaise. A little bit of garbage. We put the 2 pieces of the sausage. We have our shuko. After we have done, to complement, we grab a glass, lemons, ice cube. We have canada dry. And we have our plate ready to eat.